Hey, I'm Dr. Mark Yashard. I'm the Chief Operating Officer here at ASU BIOS. We're here today on World Oceans Day, June the 8th, 2024, to celebrate 120 plus years of marine science here in Bermuda since 1903. We're celebrating here today not just because of the world-class research that gets done here. We've just celebrated 70 years of a long, deep ocean time series called HydroStation S. We're also celebrating our partnership with Arizona State University. Since 2021, Bermuda Institute of Ocean Sciences has been a unit of the Julianne Wrigley Global Futures Lab at Arizona State University. Now, that means we're partnered up with one of the biggest research universities in North America. We now have the opportunity to engage with many more disciplines other than marine science. ASU has now announced 5 full tuition scholarships for Bermudian students. All other Bermudians have an opportunity to go on a reduced tuition rate through these scholarship funds. And also, I should add that all of these degree options and scholarships for Bermuda students are not solely about marine science, but about any of the degree programs that they have at ASU. So very, very excited to celebrate not only this 120-year plus endeavor of marine science here in Bermuda, but also our partnership with Arizona State University, and also we're celebrating these educational opportunities for Bermudian students.